Hey, what's up guys? In this episode, we're gonna finish the grill. Alright, so my plan is I'm going to weld up all these unused holes and then paint it. I'm gonna paint it black. I was thinking about putting a strip down the middle with bolts in it, kind of making it 2 layers. I don't know. I think just for now we're just gonna fill them holes in and paint it black. All right, before we get started on the grill, I want to show y'all what I spent all my money on. I got a 4.5/6 drop kit. It's got the flip kit for the back and springs and spindles for the front. And the C-notch. Here's the C-notch for the frame. Got some new shocks for the lowering kit. Got new body mounts and all the hardware kit. And in this box it's got all the bolts, new bolts for the bed, to mount the bed. And here we got the lowering springs for the front. This is the flip kit for the rear. And then that bottom box is the drop spindles for the front. And I got some gear oil for the rear end. I got some POR for the frame. Of course, it's got to be, I think, 45 or 50 degrees to put this on, is what I read on the interwebs there. So I don't really know, but probably have to wait until springtime to put that on. But anyways, I got it. So one day we'll get the frame painted and all that mess. But this little box, try to get it open. We have the pins for the leaf springs, and the heads on them are 9/16 too. So I don't know, we'll have to see what we got to do. I did buy a 9/16 drill bit just in case I got to drill that hole out in the rear end or whatever, but yeah, whatever. And of course my proportioning valve, since we're switching the disc brakes in the back. I showed that in the previous video. I did get me a new button to hook to my roll control when we hook that up. And this one I'm going to mount in the steering wheel. This one does come with a little button in there, but I don't want to use that one. So I bought this one. We'll put that in there. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do. Oh yeah, let me show y'all the spindles real quick. There's the drop spindles. So yeah, that's what we got. Stuff to redo the whole thing. The plan is to go ahead and get the lowering kit on there. And yeah, I really don't have a plan. Alright, so I gotta take this thing back apart. Take these 10,000 bolts back out. Alright guys, real quick, I wanted to show y'all on this side, the holes ended up being kind of uneven or whatever here. And this is how I done it. I had to put these two here to make it look halfway decent. But I still kind of don't like this, so I might have to fill in all these holes and re-drill them to make them look a little better. What I plan on doing is drilling a hole right in the center here, so I have a bolt there and one here, one there, and the same thing down here on this side. So kind of like that. So it'll be, I think that'll look a little better than to have them two just meet up in the middle there. I kind of don't like that. It messes with my head. It does something to me. I don't know if I got OCD or I don't think I do, but it just messes with me. So I'm probably gonna fill all them holes in and just re-drill new ones. I'm still thinking about running a strip down the middle here with bolts in it. She said not to, but it looks good like this. She thinks it's going to be too much if I put that strip in there, which it could be, but I don't know. Just post it in the comments below if y'all think I should run that strip. That way, if everybody wants me to do it, then I can tell her, hey, the people want it. That's what the people want. I gotta do it. So if y'all think it looks better like this, comment and we'll keep it like that. I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, let me stop stalling and get back to work. Alright, there's all the bolts. How many's there? I don't know. I'll give you a second to count. That's how many's there. The good thing about that, if I ever break down, well, not break down, but if a bolt ever falls out or something and I need a bolt, I could just take one out of the grill. We can keep on trucking. Alright, I took my tool and measured to the center there and scribed me a line, as you can see. I don't know, there it is. And then I measured in between there and got the center and marked me a little line that way on them. So I know where to drill my holes, and now I'm just drilling holes in it. Drill me a little pallet hole in all of them first, and then I'll come back with the big bit and finish them off. Alright, so to fill these holes up, I'm not going to cut little round pieces and try to fool with that, try to get it in there. I just got some roofing nails here. I'm just going to shove them up in there from the bottom, kind of fill the hole up, and then just weld around it. And then we'll just cut the nail off with the grinder and grind it down. Got all the nails welded on there, all the way around. Looks kind of cool like it. Maybe I ought to leave it like it. Be like a bird catcher or something. I got them all tacked on there. I'm just gonna go around and put some more tacks on them and then take the grinder and cut them all off. Alright, I got all the nails cut off there. Now I need to just go back around and finish up some welds in here. You can see my booger welds I got going on. Just need to fill in some holes and then we'll grind it. Then fill in some more holes and grind it again. And finally, we got it all welded up and ground down. There is still some small imperfections in there, but overall it's pretty good. I'm going to test fit it back in the truck real quick, make sure it didn't warp or anything, just in case I got to tweak it, bend it back into shape or whatever, and then we'll throw some paint on it. Don't look like it warped too much. Maybe a little right here. That's pretty good. That might have come up a little bit. But overall, it's pretty good. Alright, got it set up in the paint booth, which is my driveway, so let's go ahead and throw some paint on it. I don't know how well this is going to turn out. It's like 20 degrees out here, so. It's almost dry, close enough. Go ahead and put all these bolts right there. Alright, I got all my bolts in there, so let's go try to put it back in the truck here. Alright, there it is. That thing did kind of warp right here. It's kind of hanging down a little bit. Not only that, this trim is kind of messed up too. But oh well, I like it. Yeah, I like it. Yep, there it is. Alright guys, it's cold and I'm ready to go in. So I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.